SoundCheck, do you know you can save time launching multiple virtual instruments with a simple click or step in a sequence? In this example, I have 3 virtual instruments: a signal generator, a multimeter, and a multi-instrument that I wish to recall in the future. To save this configuration, go to Instruments, Save Configuration As, and it will be saved as a .vic file. This saves not only the combination of instruments you have created, but also the settings in each instrument. I can then recall this configuration by going to Instruments, Open Configuration, and all the virtual instruments will appear. You can also open configurations used under Recently Opened Configuration. I can also recall the configuration in a sequence as an acquisition step. Click and drag the virtual instrument acquisition step in the sequence editor into your sequence steps and double-click on it. Right-click and select Load Configuration File and select the desired file you wish to import. When you run the sequence, the virtual instruments will be displayed. Virtual instrument configuration files can also be set to launch automatically when starting up SoundCheck. You can enable this 2 ways. From the Edit Preferences window under the Launch tab, where you can select the configuration file in the drop-down menu, or from the Instruments Startup menu.